Welcome back to my channel. With me, Hika is here. So, today we will draw something from the letter of J. Go grab your drawing tools. And ready to easy drawing with me. Let's go! First, let's make the frame first. Use a pencil first so that it can be erased. Now we make the body outside the frame line. The head. Ears. The legs. The body and tail. Add the paws. Now the eyes, nose, and mouth. Erase the frame line. Do you know what we are drawing? Yes, we are drawing Jaguar. J for Jaguar. Don't forget to add blush to make it cute. Next, let's draw the Jaguar's signature rosette patterns. These spots make a Jaguar unique. So, take your time and spread them naturally across the body. Color the paws, ears, mouth, and nose. Great! Now it's time to color the fur and bring our Jaguar to life. Making dark color for shading. Jaguar is done. Let's keep it. Now, we make a glass of juice. J for juice. For this juice, we make orange juice. Making a glass first, and then water of juice. Coloring the water of juice. If you want to color something else, it's okay. The important thing is the theme is juice. Add a straw and slice of orange fruit. To make it cute, let's add some eyes and smiling mouth. Juice is done. Next, of course, a letter of J. J is done too. Last but not least, we add the background. We make hills and some trees. And it's done! That's for today. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video. With me, Hika. And Hika is here. Bye-bye.